Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter PowerBoost full hybrid engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, backup camera with a lovely Bedliner on this vehicle. Got the nice blacked out rims, gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated with the side view camera. Got the nice PowerBoost logo down there. And move to the front park sensing, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back. We got cup holders and storage, rear vents with 12-volt USB-Cs, 120 volt, and a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat, powered passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 32,289 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. And moving up here, we got a digital speedometer, your RPMs, all the usual stuff with my view, trip and fuel gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage over here. It is collapsible with cup holders, wireless charging, and outlets. You got your center console here that does turn into an interior work surface. Have your food, laptop, meals, totally up to you, with additional storage below. We got rear locking diff, drive modes, and four-wheel drive. Little storage here, Pro Trailer Assist, dual climate up front, heated front seats, 12-volt, 120-volt, storage above, below, with your climate controls right here, dual climate, Pro Power onboard since it is a hybrid vehicle. We do get a 360 view of the vehicle. Pretty nice. Change the camera angles, park sensing, hazards, and traction with Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. And above me, we get our features for our rear window opener. Pretty handy. We got your audio here as well with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got your phone controls here, your navigation, little red dot showing you where vehicle's been. You can zoom in and out. Very responsive. Search recent saved. Have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard. Any apps you may download will show up right in here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with your settings. Just your normal vehicle settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8427, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.